Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Surface Duo 2 bumper, and this one is the tangerine color. It does come in black, white, tangerine, and I believe blue is the other color. So I think this just added a nice little pop to my Surface Duo 2, and mine is the obsidian black color, as you can see here, and I do have the bumper already installed. I've been using it since last night. One thing to point out is this bumper does adhere to the phone. So this piece right here is one piece, and then you have a top piece right here and a bottom piece right here. So you are going to be limited on how many times you can, put this on and take it off the device. And that being said, I'm doing this review now because I actually ordered the OtterBox for this. So I want to be able to try that out tomorrow when it comes, and I just wanted to have this out of the way because I don't know how well this is going to go back on the phone if I choose to put it back on. You can see it doesn't add full protection. It doesn't add much protection at all, actually. It kind of just protects the top and side. But if you drop it over here, nothing, and that's going to be where the screen is right there, because you have your little your little display along here for your notifications and time and stuff like that. And then down here on the bottom, you also don't get any protection. So this is by no means a protective case or anything like that, but it does add a little bit of grip to it. And stuff like that for when it is open. You get a little bit of extra grip for your finger and stuff like that right there, which does work pretty well. And it does, like I said, add a little bit of pop of color if you get like the tangerine or blue or something like that. But the black and white are pretty much just going to match the device if you pair them with the same color device. But that is the Microsoft Surface Duo 2 bumper, and like I said, I will be doing a video on the OtterBox case for it when I get that tomorrow as well. So I will leave a link down to the Amazon where you can pick this up. I think it was like $39 or around there, depending on when you get it. But that is the Surface Duo 2 bumper. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.